Hello folks, common problem that you might be having that I have, and I've got 2 rooms in my house that have this problem, a ceiling fan that is imbalanced and it just wobbles back and forth. If you take a look at this one in one of the kids' room, it's wobbling back and forth, makes noise. If you let it go too long, it makes noise that way. Those cords hanging down bang into the lights at a certain point. So we're going to fix that. I'm going to show you how to fix that. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to number each of the blades, because as we experiment with some weights, you need to know which ones you've tried because it's easy to get confused. So I've just marked each one of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next thing you want to do is wipe off the dust off of the top and bottom, just washcloth, something like that. So we're gonna take some pocket change. I'm gonna start with a quarter, and what you want to do is put the quarter, let's say out here on the edge of one of them. For this fan, because these are pretty cheap, and it all depends, but these are pretty cheap blades. They're not very heavy, so a quarter is probably heavy enough. If you've got a much bigger, heavier fan and fan blades, well, they're probably longer, and maybe a quarter still works. But I found that a quarter is about the good weight, especially at the edge, to use as your starting point. And all I'm going to do here, I'm going to take this quarter, I'm going to put it on each blade, and because I've got them numbered, I can remember which blade ends up being the right one. I'll turn it on high and wait until I get the best improvement. It probably won't solve it all the way. So you first put the quarter on, try each one, and get some improvement. So we're going to turn this on and just see if it gets better. All right, so let's turn the fan on and see how this goes. I'm going to get below it in case that quarter comes off. That looks worse. That's worse. All right, turn it off, please. That last one obviously made this thing worse, so that tells me I need to go on blades on the opposite side of the fan. So I went to the opposite side of the fan, picked another blade, put it on here. This is blade number 5. You see how I've got that taped on there. We're going to try that again. So if yours seems to get worse, it means you've probably put it on the opposite side of the fan on where you need to put the weight. A little bit of trial and error. If it seems to get better, it means you're getting close. So I think this should be better than the last one. Okay, let's turn on the fan again, see how this works. It's gotten better, but I still don't have the right blade. Okay, that might not be better at all. All right, turn that off, please. And I'm not going to leave this blue tape on there, and you can see the blue tape from the bottom, but I'm using painter's tape. You can use whatever you want. I'll use packing tape at the end. It's clear. That way you can't see that there's anything on the top of the blade. So this is just so I can take it on and off easily. So I've moved it one blade more. I'm just going around here trying to find the blade that makes a difference. And one of these should show some improvement. Let's turn on the fan again. Okay, that's definitely gotten better. So I know I'm in the right direction. Okay, in between commercials here, I tried the quarter at all the different blades. That was the best one, but we still haven't solved the problem. It's still shaking way more than we need to. So we have to start fine-tuning this, and quite possibly a single blade is not the only problem. So because this blade over here made the most difference, I'm going to try adjacent blades, and I've already tried a couple, so I know that this adjacent blade, I'm going to take a nickel on the adjacent blade, because it needs a little bouncing too. I tried a quarter on both blades. It's too much. This is just some trial and error. So now I'm going to try a nickel in this spot, and we're going to just put this nickel about there, because I marked where I had it, that it made an improvement. And again, trial and error. So now I've got a nickel on one and a quarter on the other, and where you put it on the blade makes a difference. If you get too much reaction putting it way out the outside, move it to the inside, move it a few inches. I've been doing this in between commercials, like I said, and I've gotten it honed in a little bit. So let's turn the fan on again and see how this one works. It's definitely gotten a lot better. Okay, let's turn the fan off and make another adjustment. I've spent several minutes between the last time we paused the camera, and I want to show you. Here's the quarter that we first did, and that started making the first bit of improvement. Then I made several iterations and found that a nickel on this next blade made a bigger difference and got it closer. And I've tried several different things. I added another penny to this blade here. I added a penny under the nickel, a nickel under the quarter. I've done several things. This takes some trial and error. So it's been several minutes now and several attempts. I've now got a penny here where we had a quarter. I found that putting a penny here, and I've marked it, I marked a little tick mark on the blade. When I find the perfect spot, I'm just leaving them on there. But when I find a spot that works, I make the mark on here, and then I move it around so I can come back to the sweet spot if I find it. So now I've got a penny on here. Let's see how that works. Let's turn on the fan. Okay, that's darn close. It's close. It's made a lot of improvement. But we have another adjustment to make, and we're going to fix this thing for good. And I've done everything I can. I added a penny here, and a penny there, a penny here, a nickel. I've done a lot of different iterations, and what I found is I haven't gotten it any better since the last time we filmed it. So what that's telling me is I may have improved it, but I may have changed the balance where it was on the other side. Now it's too heavy on this side by the slightest of margins. So what I'm going to do is go to the opposite side. This has 5 blades on it. Here are the 2 where we've got coins and weights. I'm going to go to the exact opposite. Because I've got an odd number of blades, there's only a single blade opposite. And I'm going to try to put a weight there. So I took a penny, and I decided to place a penny right in the middle because we're darn close. You saw the last video, it was close. I don't need much. So I'm hoping that that's the problem. I've got a penny right here, just a little bit of counterbalance to that. Let's get these things stopped and see how this goes. And let's turn the fan on and see what it looks like. That is about perfect. I don't see any movement. I don't even see these moving. And that's on high. I don't hear the shaft creaking up top. So I think we nailed it. So I've left the one piece of tape on there, the painting tape, just because that keeps half of the weight that I had on there. And I've taken the clear packing tape and put it in this direction to keep those coins in there. So I've done it for those 2. I've done it for this one. And now I've got the last one over here, and I'm going to take this and make sure that it covers the outside of it, the direction it would want to come off, and then just press all this down nice and tight just so that it never comes off. This is another reason why you need to have this free of any lint, and this should be good to go. And let's turn it on one more time and see if we've solved this for good. But that looks virtually motionless. I don't see anything. This thing's not even moving. It could be the air blowing that thing around. So that's how to do it, and you might more quickly get lucky and find the perfect sweet spot. I've got another fan I'm going to try in the house. I'm going to use the exact same technique, but you can do this yourself. You don't need to buy another $100 fan. You don't need to hire anybody. You can do it yourself, and I recommend a helper. But good luck. Thanks for watching the video.